In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Binance app. By updating Binance app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues or any problem that you might be encountering with your app. If this helps you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, to update your Binance app, you need to go ahead and search for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for Play Store here. And then on Play Store, log in with your email. And once you're logged in, you should see a search bar here. Go ahead and tap on it and search for your app by name. However, if you can't see this search bar, then head down here to a search icon, tap on it, and here search for the app. So I'll search Binance like that, and then tap on this search icon. Now from here, you can see our Binance app is already installed here, but if I tap on it, you can see we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Binance Buy Bitcoin and Crypto app. To get the latest version, tap on update, and this will install the latest version of this app on your Android smartphone, replacing the older one. Now, once this is done, go ahead and tap on open, or go to your apps and open Binance app to start using the latest version of this app. So that's how you can update your Binance app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.